Hey YouTube, it's Thor the Engine again. Well, I'm making another fan video, but did you guys enjoy the video of me playing the drums and flipping and twirling my sticks? Alright, ready to see a magic trick? Bada bing! Well, look what we got here. It is a GE plastic bladed box fan. I bought this at Fanimation from some guy that I think is on YouTube. I don't know, but this is a really nice one. I have my GE reversible metal bladed one that I got at Fanimation last year that I've yet to do a video on. This I'm exceptionally happy about. I've been waiting on one of these. I was supposed to get one of these from fellow fan collector Bo Mitchell, but I got lucky with this one. So that one that Bo Mitchell was going to give me is going to be going to fellow fan collector Caleb. I think it was Caleb Poggle or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, let's take a look at this thing. This thing is a 20-inch GE box fan with the Venturi hub. Let me see if I can get the info off the bottom of the fan. I like that. It says catalog number FWW22, 110, 120, 20 volts, 60 cycles, 110 volts, 3 amps. And it says that right there on the bottom of the fan. This has the signature GE motor in it, which is super nice. 5 plastic bladed winged propeller. And in the words of Esky Wolf, it's got the handle. Yes, it does. All right. Well, this is non-reversible. I don't know if they do make these reversible with the plastic blades, but all I know is I really like the Venturi ring that's in it, and the 5 plastic blades and the metal covers. This thing is built like a tank. It weighs a ton, but this thing was well worth grabbing it at Fanimation, and I'm glad to have it in my collection. And it is on high. Here's medium. Now, the one thing about these fans that makes them so problematic is, take a look at this real quick. See how bad that's moving and wobbling around in there? It's not supposed to do that. I chalk it up to a design characteristic, but that's just me. Here's low. I mean, aside from that slight motor buzzing noise, Bo Mitchell told me how Caleb fixes that problem. So here's the back of the fan while it's running. Yeah, that motor problem shouldn't be too much to handle. It does go away after it's been running, like it's got to, like after the motor warms up after a bit, back to high. And then in the words of Tori the Fan Man, O double F spells off. I got 2 more fans that I got at Fanimation that I need to cover. And one of them is a big, big, big surprise. So that's coming real soon. All right, thank you all for watching this video. Have a good one.